I'm back again to Engineer Tina Academy. We are back, bigger, better. We are doing good. I hope you're also doing well. Welcome back. And on today's video, we want to look at taking off quantities of a manhole. This manhole is quite a unique one, and I thought that we should look at it together. So if you are new here, this is Christine. Welcome back. Subscribe, share, and don't forget to leave a comment. Now, this is the manhole that you want to look at. This is our manhole here, and if you can see this manhole, we've not dealt with a manhole like this one. So I found this manhole and I thought it's good that we look at it together. So we have the plan for the manhole, this one here, and then we have the section. Now we are going to study the manhole first and see what we have. So if you can look at our manhole, it's not uniform. We have at the base here, we have the foundation concrete, and then this wall here, it is in situ wall, so that is a concrete wall. And then we have an in situ slab here, and then we have a stone wall here, and then on top here we have the slab. We have the PCC slab, and then what do we have again? We have the roofing eye here, that pipe. Then this is the outlet, and then what again do we have? We have what do we have? We have step irons. These are step irons going down. This one and this one and this one and this one and this one. Those are step irons. So if you can see, it's a kind of unique manhole. So let's look at items that we are going to measure for this manhole. So we are going to have pit for manhole items, that is necessary planking and strutting, and then the watering. Then we have the concrete bed. We have reinforced concrete walls and slab. As you've seen, we have a wall that is in situ, so that is a concrete wall. We have formwork, that is formwork to the slab and the walls. And then we have the stone wall, that is now the normal stone wall. We have step irons, cover and frame, and then we have the PCC slabs. So we are going to do this entire taking off in stages for easy understanding and for easy following. So we are going to start our first item that we are going to do. We are going to do manholes, pit excavation, and then we are going to do item. So for us to be able to excavate this manhole, we need to find the length, this length here, and we then need to find the width. So for our length, it will be 150 plus 2000 plus 150 plus 1100 plus 150 for the length. And then for the width, we have 150 plus 500 plus 150 plus 1600 plus 150, and then plus 500, and then plus 150. And then for the depth, we are going to add those ones. So for the depth, we are excavating our manhole from ground level here up to down. So we have, let's see what we have for the depth. Let me take my calculator 1 minute for us to be able to get the exact depth that we have. So for the depth, we have 200 plus 1400 plus 500 plus 800, so that is 2900. And then let's get the length. For the length, we have 150 plus 2000 plus 150 plus 1100 plus 150 plus 150, so that is 550. So we have all those three. So when we come to taking off, the length is that 550, the width is that 200, the depth is 2900. Now remember, when we are taking off, when you are booking for excavation, we book it in stages. The first stage is between 0 to 1.5. The second is 1.5 to 3, and then the other one is 3 to 4.5. So it's in stages. So for our depth, we are going to book it in 2 stages because it's exceeding 1.5 meters. So guys, be very careful on that. So let's proceed and book for the excavation. Booking, we said we are booking it in stages. So we have the length, which was 3.55. The width was 3.2, and then the depth, we are booking the first stage, that is 1.5. So that is the first stage that we are booking. And then we say excavate vegetable soil for manhole starting from strip level, average depth not exceeding 1.5. So we had 2.9. For our depth, we less 1.50. So what remains is 1.40. So that is what we book in the second stage. So we say detour depth exceeding. So the length and the width remains the same. So the length is 3.5, the width is 3.20, the depth is now what changes, 1.40. And then we say detour depth exceeding 1.5 meters but not exceeding 3.0 meters. And then we remove from side the last two items. So we up to that point we are done with excavation. Now we go to an item, we allow for necessary planking and strutting, and then detour for dewatering. That is necessary dewatering. So once we done up to there, our next item will be the concrete bed. Let's look at our concrete bed. So here we have our concrete bed, which is 200 millimeters thick, that one. So if you look at it, it's on the entire length of the, on the entire length and on the entire width. So we are still using the length and the width that we have where we have done excavation. Here where we have done excavation is where we are going to put that 200 millimeters thick bed. Here where we have done our excavation. So when we are booking excavation, we book it in, sorry, when we are booking the concrete bed, we are booking it in square meter. So it is 3.2, 3.55, 3.20, and then we say plain concrete in 1 is to 3 is to 6 in 200 millimeters thick bed. So up to that point, guys, we have done the pit, we have done the item, and then we have done the concrete, bed. So when we come back, we'll do the walls, the formwork, and the stone wall. Thank you guys for your time. Keep up, be on the watch out for more videos on this. We are going to do this manual until the end, but as I said earlier, we are going to do it in parts. So stay tuned. Until next time, bye bye.